Hi everyone, and welcome to this new course, Hands-on Linux Host Security for SysAdmins. My name is Paula Luchile, and I'll be your author for this course. I graduated with a diploma degree in computer science and currently work as a cybersecurity expert. I love teaching, and hence am freelancing to share my expertise with students for over 4 years now as a Kali Linux penetration tester. I have a diverse set of certifications, interests and experiences, including server administration. Now let's take a look at the course overview. In our course, Section 1, Tuning the Linux Kernel. In this section, we'll be tuning the Linux kernel working with procfs, the virtual file system, tuning the kernel in procfs, work with space layout randomization, and securing the IMCP in the procfs virtual file system. Then setting up Tor for safe web browsing on Linux. Section 2, Ports and Services. In this section, we'll be working with ports and services, enabling and disabling unwanted services with command sysctl, gain accessing to service listing, setting up the /etc/systemd/timesyncd.conf file, and working with the ss command for available port listing on Linux. Section 3, chroot jails. In this section, we'll be working with the file chroot, an operation that changes the apparent root directory for the current running process, and its children, creating a jail root and adding SSH users for chroot, running SSH login with chroot, then finally logging on SSH. Section 4, Linux System Auditing. In this section, we'll be working with different Linux auditing tools, installing necessary auditing packages, working with different audit tools, making use of the audit's default configurations, and working on custom rules. Section 5, Malware Detection. In this section, we'll be working with malware detection, installing tools like AID, Advanced Intrusion Detection Environment, and doing some baseline with functionality checks. Work with AID, installing rootkit hunters for Linux, and working with malware detection tools. Section 6, Securing grub boot process. In this section, we'll be securing the host virtual machine and creating virtualized machines protections of Linux users' passwords and securing the grub boot process. Section 7, Limiting users' access. In this section, we'll be limiting some user access on a Linux server, make full use of the ulimit commands, working with limits, installing and working with reporting processor statistics, and reporting Linux processing, the making use of process management tools. Section 8, Configure user accounts in OpenLDAP. In this section, we'll be centralizing user accounts in OpenLDAP by setting up and configuring OpenLDAP appliances, then creating OpenLDAP users and configuring the SSSD on OpenLDAP client systems. The course prerequisites are OS, Ubuntu and CentOS 7, storage 80 GB, 4 GB of RAM to 8 GB of RAM. Here's the flow of the course. We'll be tuning the Linux kernel, working on chroot jails, and configuring user accounts in OpenLDAP. So, let's get started.